Hello my beauties, how are you guys doing? I'm going to show you everything that comes in a nail dash kit. It comes with a cuticle pusher, nail file and buffer, glue. You will need a rubbing alcohol, whether that's a wipe or a cotton pad. It comes with 24 nails as well. I set mine out so it's easy to apply. I'm going to start with my pinky and work into my thumb. This is just going to ensure that glue doesn't get everywhere. We're going to start with the cuticle pusher, and we are going to just push back those cuticles so that when we put the nail on, it'll go right underneath there to be flush with our nail. And next I'm going to buff the top of my nail. The pink side is the buffer, the black side is the file. You will use the file to reshape your nails. The pink side is going to rough up the top of them. This is just going to add a little bit of grit so that the glue can grab onto that and it's not just a slippery, slidey kind of thing. It'll hold on to it and make your manicure last for a long time. Once we are all done buffing, we are going to grab that alcohol wipe down our fingernails as well as our fingertips. Both of them have oil and dirt that get on them, and we want to get rid of all of that because we don't want any bacteria or anything to grow underneath our nails, as well as we just want to have our manicure last as long as possible. And the amount of glue that you put on will vary depending on how long you want your nails to last. I'm showing you kind of the 2-week window kind of mark. So I'm applying just a dot in the center, rubbing it around so that it's evenly all over the nail. I'm not adding more than just the dot, I'm just rubbing it around, putting a little bit on the dash, and then I'm sandwiching it on, pushing against my cuticle, and holding it on for 20 to 30 seconds. If you're wanting your nail dashes to last a little less time, then just put it on your nail. If you're wanting it just for a couple days, just put it on the nail dash and then put it on your nail. It's so awesome how much you can kind of change it up depending on your lifestyle, if you're only needing it for a weekend or if you're wanting it for 2 weeks. Something to keep in mind is, since this is probably your first time putting on nail dashes, sometimes the first time we put too much glue, sometimes we don't put enough glue. It does take a little bit of trial and error since everybody's nails are a little bit different. We actually produce nail oil on our nails naturally, so some people have more oily nail beds than others, so kind of playing around with that and changing it up your second set versus your first will make a huge difference. And if you ever make a little boo-boo and a little bit of glue oozes out over the edge, just quickly grab a cotton round with nail polish remover and wipe it. It'll take off the glue, but it won't take off the color of the nail, which is awesome. Just make sure the nail polish remover that you're using doesn't have acetone in it, because the acetone will eat up the nails. Just make sure that it's just strictly normal nail polish remover. I love that everything can kind of be changed up a little bit too. So here I had a couple of the nails that were a little bit more almond shaped than round, so I just wanted to file those down with the black side of the nail file. What's nice is all shiny nails can be trimmed down with nail clippers as well as file, so I just did that real quick. But that is it. I'm excited to see your nail fee, and I will talk to you guys soon. Have a great rest of your day. Bye, guys.